So he's saying that you have a compromise on the left side.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's telling us that he has some compromises on the left side. So we're going to do some success indicators there. Well, I'm going to get you to bring this foot forward. I'm going to test out his good side first so we know what normal feels like. So once again, he's pointing his foot up. I'm going to push down. I want you to resist as hard as you can and go. Okay, that is like a statue. 1 to 10, how do you score that?
11.
Yes, there we go. Give him a big round of applause. He gets a 10 out of 10 on confidence, that's for sure. But that was rock solid. I could have done a one-arm push-up off of that one. Now we're just going to compare it to this side here. Foot point up, resist, and go. So you can see this one gives out a little bit more. Once again, we'll go here, resist, and go. You guys see how spongy this side is compared to the other side? So if this is an 11, what's this 1 to 10? Okay, so I agree, it's about a 6. Okay, so he's about a 6 out of 10 on the left. So once again, in order to know truth through experience that we're on the right track, we want that to at least be an 8, okay, after doing the corrective work. Now I'm going to test out his hips, because that was his other complaint, and just to demonstrate the ripple effect through the body of how things are connected, and how it's really chains of muscles and joints that we're working on, we're going to compare the hips before and after doing the ankle corrective, okay? So straighten this leg first. We're going to start with the good side. Hold it out to the side. Do not let me swing it in. Resist as hard as you can. And go. 1 to 10. 1 to 11. What was
11.
That? Oh yeah, 1 to 11. We nailed it. Big round of applause. Jesus Christ. They love you already. Huge fan favorite. Right here. Okay. So now let's test it at the left side. All right. Resist as hard as you can. And go. That was a good sound effect at the end there. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to test him again just to verify, because a lot of times when somebody gives out on a test, I want to make sure that, you know, I just want to be extra sure that we got it, okay? Resist as hard as you can, and go. Okay, what's that, 1 to 10? 4. Okay, so this is all that matters right now, that this is a 6, and this hip is a 4. Now I'm going to take them through the corrective sequence, and then we'll retest those 2 tests on the left side. Okay, so we're going to retest everything. Okay. How's that sound? And if it's better, I got a prize for you. Oh yeah, grab a seat here. All right, so we're going to start with this one here. Does everybody remember what this test was, 1 to 10? 6. Okay, so I'm going to push down here. I want you to resist as hard as you can. Resist and go.
Ooh.
Can you guys see the difference there?
Yeah.
Let's go again. Go.
Wow.
What's that, 1 to 10?
11.
8.5. 8.5. Woo! Somewhat better. Okay. Now we're going to test out the hip. What was the hip 1 to 10 before?
4.
4? Okay, good. Let's test it out. So hold your leg up and out to the side. Okay, don't let me swing you in. Resist as hard as you can. And go. What does that feel like now? 9.5. Big round of applause. So, and that's really important because he knows he's got an issue going on there because he's experienced it in the leg press.